shadow stays, a tender glow through all my days. No grand design, no shining show, yet still thou art the love I know. No gilded words, no vow so loud, yet in thy gaze my heart is bound. A love so fair, so soft, so true,